ka, kuya.
Hi guys, nandito kami sa Vanishing Mansion. Can you see a mansion? Say hi to the tour guide ko!
Bakit ang usapan?
Sama ka sa vlog ko, kuya.
Sabi ka naman. Ako yung white lady dito.
Ito yung white lady.
Ikan ako. Sa'yo mo, ma. Sa kita tayo dadaan, ma. Sorry. Sige, ma. Sir, ganda hapon, sir.
Tumingin kayo sa camera. Let's go! Bound to Iloilo. So hi guys, so yun na, ito yung port. So we're gonna be heading to saan tayo? Our accommodation sa Iloilo. Say hi, Ate Jules. Ate Jules, say hi! I know, say hi.
Punta na tayo sa accommodation.
Bye!
Ay, ang ganda nga.
Hi guys, so dito kami ngayon sa Vanishing Mansion with Kuya, tour guide car. Siyempre, guys, book na kayo ng tour with Kuya Eman. Iloilo City Tour.
Kuya Eman.
So dito pala yun. Love dito yun, no? Kay MJS. Ayan, say hi. Say hi. So ayan, na kami. Fight Tower. So yun yung bridge. They call it like parang wishing bridge now. So, you know, bye. We're here at Garin Farm. Tama ba?
Garin Farm.
Yeah, Green Farm. It's the famous stairway to heaven. Of course. Still with them.
The trio.
This is gonna be our last day for Iloilo. For a BIGG trip. So, grabe yung pagkabalot na balot ng mga person na ito. Kayo na. Kasi si Ireland, si Ivy, po naman siyang Ireland, so hindi niya na kailangan magpaputi. But kaming mga dugyot, na alipin pa rin ng mga bye na nga, bye. Bye! So, oh my God, may uphill and we're here. Grabe, mag-snack muna kami kasi hindi pa pala nag-start may lakad na. Grabe hingal, di ba? So, yeah. Okay, we're here. So guys, andito na kami sa trees sa top of the... You guys should be here. Oh my God, ang daming tao.
Patapos na ibig.
Titan ako dito. Titan. Ito?
Ito yata yung tunnel.
Dark Metropolitan Tunnel.
This is the way going to heaven.
Ay, we're going to heaven.
Back to the world again.
Yun yung top of the pilgrimage. Pinaka. Grabe, required mag-shades. Sobrang silaw. So, yeah.
Ones who ran with the wolves, broke free, free from all ropes. Pharaoh straight, the one who can't be contained. Wild as a stallion set free. Wind in my hair, sweet essence of you. Wild as a stallion set.
So, guys, we'll be going back to the world.
Hingil na yan.
It's not yet our time. Charot.
Not yet.
Punta ko sa Ireland.
Dito ko na pala mararanasan ng snow. Eme.
Dito na lang
Snow na
pala.
mainit. Meron bang ganun?
So yeah, meron back to the world and meron ditong ganyan. So, we'll be going back to the world because we're going back to Manila.
Bako or trick na.
Yes. Baka ma-tour guide. Dito, push to open. Okay. Grabe, super hot.
We're back to
So, we're back to the world. What can you say, guys?
So hot.
For other, tourists that will be coming here, just bring your
Bakit hot?
hat, your
Sunblock.
shades, sunblock,
Jacket if you want.
Yes.
Make sure to put on
sunblock. So, we're going back. Bye! So, hi guys! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Miagao Church. Tama ba? So, ito yung 1/4 na Baroque style church in the Philippines. So, yung one nasa may Intramuros.
Yes.
Yung dalawa nasa may Ilocos. So, ito yung pang-apat. 4 lang sila in the Philippines. So, yan. Yan siya, guys. Ganda ng design. So, hi guys! Our next stop here in Iloilo is the Mala Mansion. So, here is the Mala Mansion. So, pasukin natin siya. It is owned by SM daw. So here guys, we're in Molo Plaza.
Yes.
Hey. So, dadali na namin kami ni Kuya dun sa isa pang picturan. Here's the plaza with Ivy. Buti na lang hindi na masyadong mainit. Like, and hindi na masyadong matao even though it's weekend. But I think
Ito,
this is
dito
just
na lang.
usual. But yeah, here's the plaza.
Kaya,
It's their hometown.
place sila para makapag-play.
Yeah. Very turista. Wait, yung yan, so naghahad kami ngayon dun sa papunta sa church with the tourist over there. Na naman akong title. Pero yeah. Here's the place. Here are the two.
Thank you sa exposure
Kasi madami na akong screen time. Charot.
Salamat sa buhay.
Oh yeah.
Tayo rin ang buhay. May ganun pa
Nakakulong yan, dito muna.
Yes. Anong
Ngayon marami
tour guide
na,
core mo,
dito
kuya?
labas yan.
So, nandito kami ngayon sa prison of Iloilo. It's a museum here in Iloilo. So, yeah.
Ma'am, focus mo dito yung camera.
Yes, kuya. Yan. Dali, go. Tour guide core.
Camera.
Ay! Okay, so si kuya, yan. Pakinggan niyo siya.
Regional satellite nila yun.
Regional.
Free entrance. Huwag lang kayong ingay sa loob.
So, we're here sa Marikit Mansion ng mga Lopez. So, yan na. Lakad-lakad. Lakad kayo. Mga maririkit.
Yes.
Ay, wow, tumitingin. Okay, sige. Pasok tayo sa... Ako nga din, oh. Pasok tayo sa mansion.
Ay na tinatawag na ng bahay kubo.
Why?
Kasi po may tunnel at may family bank.
May tunnel dito.
Family bank?
Noong 1911.
Oh. So guys, lumipad ang aming team.
Ito po yung tinataguan nila na safe place po ng babae. Dito po yun.
Kaya sa ilalim yung...
Ayun po yung likod ng tunnel. Yung parang bahay.
Ito.
Oh, yung tunnel
At
daw.
yung tinatawag nilang kasang marikit. Yung marikit po kasi.
Ah, yun yung kasang marikit.
Dito po yun.
Ah,
Diyan po yan yung tinatawag nilang kasang marikit.
bridle, trained to be tame. Nature gave a new name, source to nurture the world. Ready, sing a new tune. Weight of it all won't get me down.
Okay, go na. Open the door. Oh, dyan na naman marami sila. No. Buhusan na yun ng ano. Arinola.
May nag-aaralan po na umuulan.
Ay, ganun ba?
Sa labas lang ng gate.
So guys, dito kami sa Brandy Museum. So, yeah, ito yung mga how it looks like inside the museum. So this one is a free entrance sa Mega World. So ayan, meron silang... Wait, I'm gonna show you.
Broke free, free from all ropes. Fair or straight, the one who can't be contained. Wild as a stallion set free.
Oh, ito yung ano, last end ng
Let's see.
museum. And here's the worldwide presence ng emperador. So, of course, with Asia and North America. These are all the Mexican brand, they say. And this one are the Spanish brand, the emperador. Okay.
Madam!